Alright guys, today I'm going to show the performance of Sunjo SPX 3000. This is the first time I'm using this. I have this small backyard with these concrete slabs and a lot of mess here, so I'll try to see which one of that nozzles work more efficiently to clean this up. So I have never done this before, and I think that would be a good one to check the performance of different nozzles. So I'm gonna first one check or complete the on. So I put it on and now the pressure is there, so I will use the nozzle which is the 40-degree nozzle. So this is the 40-degree nozzle here, so I will use the 40-degree nozzle. So let's see how the things work out. I have to open the water first. So we are all ready, we are all set. And I set the on. So that's really powerful, I can feel it. And this is just the 40-degree nozzle right now, and let's see how it does. So it's working fine, not that pressure although. The good part about this pressure washer is that the pump does not do too much noise. So it's very quiet. As you can see, it's doing a nice job, but not that good. So I'm just gonna clean this up with this 40-degree nozzle, and then we'll try to see how the other nozzles work. So right now it's just cleaning the dust on top of these slabs, but as you can see, there is algae and there is all kind of black stuff on these concrete slabs. So I'm just cleaning up the dust here right now. As you can see, it's just a cleaning up, that's it. So this is more like soaking right now, and the good thing is what I can feel right now is it actually blows more of the air than actually wasting too much water, which is a very good thing. Like, we are not wasting too much water here, and that's what the purpose of this pressure washer is. Okay, so I will try to use the other nozzle now with the 25-degree, and let's see how does that work. So just trying to fix certain things here with the pressure. Alright, so I'm gonna put this off and take the pressure out as recommended by the Sunjo, and then remove this nozzle. Okay, so alright, so this is 40-degree. Let's see how does this 25-degree do. So just all done, and I'll put the machine on again, and let's see how does that do. I'm going to start it from the beginning again. So this one has some good pressure here. not good enough to remove the algae from this slab. But it's still cleaning it, like cleaning all kind of, I don't know for how many years this dust has been there. I never cleaned it because I did not have that pressure washer, and I believe this can only be done by the pressure washer. The normal water hose cannot remove this algae, and they're unable to clean this slabs. So this is 25 degree. As you can see, it is doing a nice job, but not enough for removing the algae on the slab. Okay, so I will now try the 15 degree one, and let's see the performance of the 15 degree. How does that work on these really stubborn slabs? They are really dirty. Let's see if this machine can work some magic on this one. Okay, so I have to put the machine off again. That's recommended. And take the pressure off a little bit from the gun. That's recommended because when the pressure is off, it's easy for the nozzle to come off, right? So do it as recommended by the manufacturer. It's always a better performance. So this is the 15 degree one. So 15 degree, that should be the good one. I'm gonna put the machine on again, and let's see how does that work. Okay, so this has some nice pressure here. As you can see, it's kind of blowing the whole water out. So it's cleaning up nicely, but it's still not able to remove the algae from these slabs, as I can see. So I'm even trying the smaller area and consistently at one place, and it should work. And this is 15 degree, so that's the pressure of the 15 degree one, which is not bad. The pressure is really good, but it's not enough for making this slab new. So that's the thing, that's the challenge. Okay, not good enough. So let's see how the 0 degree does, and that is actually meant for some hard jobs, and that should be the one which I am looking for to complete this job. It's cleaning it nicely, but not seeing the performance which I need from it. Sometimes it's a water pressure as well, but I have my water pressure fully on. But then let's see how the 0 degree does. So I'm gonna use the 0 degree one. I will just change it, switch it again, close the unit, remove the pressure from the gun as much as you can. Yeah, it should be enough. There will be a little bit of water coming out anyway, but it's just about the pressure only. Yeah, it is going down, so you can actually feel it from the trigger. But yeah, you don't need to worry about like, okay, a little bit of coming out, so that's fine. So as you can see, this red one is really the crazy one. This is 0 degree, and it's especially recommended by, or actually cautioned by the manufacturer, that it should not be used on any live thing, like any human being or any animal, because that has a huge pressure. So we'll see it. So we're going to put the unit on and let's see what does this do. So we'll start from here. Okay, here it is. So see, it's actually bringing the whole thing white out. So this is how it should be working. Look at this. This black slab is going to be white now. This is really crazy. Look at this. Look at the pressure here. It's actually removing the algae from here. Look at how the white is coming out from that slab. And this slab has never been washed for last 7-8 years now. This is the performance of 0 degree one, the 0 degree nozzle, and it's doing its job. It's doing its job for it is actually meant for. So, and it has a lot of pressure here. I'm just gonna go one by one. It will take some time for all the slabs to clean, but I'm just showing some few, or maybe one or two. I will show 1 or 2 slabs how it's working. It's really working great. I have never expected this one, that this black for 8 years dust and dirt on it, it can be cleaned as a white. Look at this. You can actually sign on this actually. Really nice. So I'm really impressed with the power this 0 degree has, and the caution by the manufacturer is absolutely mandatory and necessary, and I can see this is even bringing the soil out of the joints actually. Look at this. If I put it on the joint, it's gonna make the hole in that. It's that crazy. It's just so much pressure here, so much. This is white. A little bit of small areas which you can actually work on more closely, but you can see how it's doing its job. This is so perfect. It can make this whole slab as a new if you keep on working on it for a couple of minutes. I will just leave this here and then we can compare it with the other one. How does the other one look like? And so look at this. I'm just gonna make 0 here. So I'm making 0 here. It's a 0 degree nozzle. That's a really nice one. That's the one you need for removing the hard, stubborn dust and dirt, and it will do its job. Look at how it's doing it. That's 0 degree. So that's all about the performance with this. So this is all for today. You can see the difference between that slab and this 0, as well as other area of the slab, which is doing a really nice job. It can make it all brand new concrete slab, and I will definitely recommend Sanjo SPX 3000. It has a lot of power with different nozzle meant for different purpose. The 0 degree one is for very hard core dirty and dusty places. Alright, thank you very much. Bye.